Imagine holding the key to unlocking doors across the sun-drenched landscapes of Arizona. A real estate license in this vibrant state doesn't just open homes, it opens opportunities. But how does one embark on this lucrative journey? Today, we dive into the steps required to obtain a real estate license in Arizona. First up, meet the basic requirements. Arizona mandates that all applicants be at least 18 years old. It's essential to have a clear criminal record and be a legal U.S. resident. Now on to the educational aspect. Aspiring realtors must complete 90 hours of pre-licensing education from an accredited school. These courses delve into real estate principles, laws, and ethics, forming the foundation of your real estate knowledge. Once the courses are completed, it's imperative to pass the school's final exam. Think of it as a rehearsal for the main event, the Arizona Real Estate License exam. The next hurdle is the state exam itself. Administered by Pearson, the test challenges your understanding with questions on both national and state-specific real estate practices. Preparation is key, and many choose to sharpen their skills with additional study materials or exam prep courses. After conquering the exam, fingerprinting is next. This step aids the state in conducting a thorough background check, ensuring the integrity of its real estate professionals. The journey doesn't end with passing the exam and fingerprinting, though. All budding realtors must then apply for their license through the Arizona Department of Real Estate. This process includes submitting all necessary documentation and paying the applicable fees. Remember, education continues even after receiving your license. Arizona requires real estate agents to complete 24 hours of continuing education every 2 years. This keeps professionals up to date with evolving laws, technologies, and market trends. In summary, obtaining a real estate license in Arizona involves meeting age and residency requirements, completing 90 hours of pre-licensing education, passing both the school and state exams, undergoing a background check via fingerprinting, and finally, applying for the license with the Arizona Department of Real Estate. Continued education is also necessary to maintain the license. Embarking on a real estate career in Arizona could be your gateway to a realm of professional and financial rewards. With dedication and the right preparation, the path is clear and the doors are open. The landscapes of Arizona await your footsteps.